Akkam ijoollee, maqaan kiyyaa Mrs.Chaltu. My maqaa is Mrs.Chaltu because maqaa means name. That's right. Maqaa means name. Maqaan kee eenyu? What's your maqaa? Maqaan kee eenyu? Wow! Maqaa bareedaa qabda. Yes, you have a nice maqaa. Maqaa bareedaa qabda. Jole, meet my shimbiro friends. Yes, shimbiro. What does a shimbiro say? Tweet, 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 tweet. Yes, shimbiro says tweet, 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 tweet. Because shimbiro is a bird. Good job. Shimbiro is a bird. In Oromo, we also say alati. Alati. Can you say alati? Good job. We say shimbiro and we say alati, and that means birds. Oh, Lali. Our shimbiro friends are flying. Shimbiron bararu jiran. Bararu jiran. That means flying. Can you say bararu jiran? Good job. Shimbiron akami bararan. How do they fly? Akami bararan. Oh, shimbiron goflak aba. Shimbiron goflak aba. Wings. Gofla. Can you say gofla? Good job. Shimbiro flies using their gofla. Akana barara. Aka shimbiro bararu. Let's pretend to fly like the shimbiro. Barari, 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 barari. Oh, Lali. Shimbiro biratu dufe. Shimbiro biratu dufe. What kind of shimbiro is he? Shimbiro akamiti. Yes, it's a crow. In Oromo, we say haragesa. Haragesa. Can you say haragesa? Good job. Haragesa walin bararu. Let's pretend to fly with our haragesa friends. Barari, 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 barari. Oh, Lali. Binensa biratu bararu jira. There's another binensa flying. Bararu jira. Binensi kunis shimbiroda. Is he a shimbiro? Lucky, lucky, no, no, no. Binensi kuni shimbiro miti. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Binensi kuni Khanisa. Binensi kuni Khanisa. It's a bee. Khanisa. Akashimbiro barari, akashimbiro barari, akashimbiro barari, 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 aka alati barari, aka alati barari, aka alati barari, 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 aka urungu barari, Aka urungu barari, aka urungu barari, barari barari, aka khanisa barari, aka khanisa barari, aka khanisa barari, barari barari, barari barari, fly, 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 barari barari. Oh, Lali, Shimbiron bararte ubate. Yes, the shimbiro was flying and now the shimbiro landed. Ubate, landed. Asak ubate. Where did it land? Oh, Shimbiron, Mukarrak ubate. Yes, the Shimbiro landed on the tree. Muka, can you say muka? Good job. Ani Shimbiron arka. Ani Shimbiron arka. Ani Shimbiron dagaha. Ani Shimbiron dagaha. Ani Hanisan arka. Ani Hanisan arka. Ani Hanisan dagaha. Ani Hanisan dagaha. Ani urungun arka. Ani urungun arka. Ani urungun dagaha. Ani urungun dagaha. Jolle, Lali, urungun arka. Yes, I see urungu, urungun arka. Can you say urungun arka? Good job. Urungun malgorujira. Urungun rafujira. He's sleeping, rafujira. Oh, Lali. Amma urungun ka'e. He's awake. Urungun ka'e. Oh, urungun guya rafe halkan ka'a. Yes, urungu sleeps in the daytime and urungu wakes up at night. Urungun guya rafe halkan ka'a. Guya rafe halkan ka'a. Shimbiron gofla, gaba shimbiron niba, rara shimbiron niku, bata, go shimbiro go. Can you say go shimbiro go? Go shimbiro go. Alatin gofla, gaba alatin niba, rara alatin niku, bata, go alati go. Can we say go alati go? Go alati go. Urungun gofla, gaba urungun niba, rara urungun niku, bata, go urungu go. Can we say go urungu go? Go urungu go. Khanisni gofla, kaba khanisni niba, rara khanisni niku, bata, go Hanisa go. Can you say go Hanisa go? Go Hanisa go. Good job. Oh, our Binensa friends say Galatomi. Thank you, Galatomi Wan Walin Barartanif. Thank you for flying with us today. Nagayati, Nagayati.